Yeah, I don't know what woman needs to hear this right now, but baby girl, you're so beautiful. You look gorgeous. Don't let nothing stop you from doing what you gotta do. You hear me? Nah, look at me, look at me. I know you probably like, oh, no, seriously. You fucking gorgeous. You're smart. You hold the house down. You hold your family down. Even though friends and family doing you dirty right now. Your job probably doing you dirty right now. You got this, mommy. You hear me? You fucking strong as shit. Mírame. Got this. You hear me? God is listening to all your prayers. Trust me, mommy. Trust me. Just keep going. You got this. Put your little cute ass together. You know, put something nice on every day. Continue to do the same thing. You got this, baby girl. You hear me? God bless you.